Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create alerts on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in investing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official investing.com website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to create any alerts, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Alert Center. You will now be taken into the Alert Center page where you can set various different alerts for your account. In order to create one, just choose between instruments, earnings, or economic events. Then just use the search box and enter the desired currencies that you wish to create your alert for. After entering this currency, choose your condition on whether you would like an alert when it moves above, below, or in terms of gain and losses. Then enter the figure that you wish to set this metric to. You can also choose the frequency and the delivery method for your alert. Finally, click on the Create Alert button and now your alert will be added successfully. You can create any changes if you wish by clicking on the Edit button underneath the Actions menu. And if you wish to remove this alert, you can tap on the Delete button as well. And there you have it. That is how you can create your desired new alert on your investing.com account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.